Hey, everybody! Oh man, my day just got fucking fantastic. Oh great, I just got age restricted. I'm gonna get age restricted. I bet you age restricted because I said fuck. Check my broker statement. Check my broker statement. I wish I did this morning. I'm not saying I didn't last night though. Actually, I've only done it 4 times in my life. That's why I have 4 kids. I waited just to make those kids. Yo, who's out here? Mars, AS, Holy Earth, Vince, Kenny, Slick Rick, the Ruler, Jay Stores, Eddie. Rick, Dave, D Money, SCB, Canute, Raphael, K. Soliman, Kasalisk. Thanks, bro. Grizzly, Benny, Maximus. Let me just make sure I'm logged into everything, bro. Let me make sure I'm logged into everything. My sessions might be expired. I missed a freaking. I missed an opportunity for the 80th time. Just before though. I'm not in Tradeday. How you guys doing? Crazy day today, huh? Crazy day. I hope you didn't blow too many accounts today, because today was the day. Especially if you're trading gold, and if you're trying to fuck with silver. If you're trading any of those 2 instruments, today was the type of day where you could get in a lot of trouble and lose some accounts. The only reason I know is because I did. Coach Singh, Jay, Timothy Chapo. Yo, Timothy Chapo just used ZB. $35 per round trip per mini. So just do the math. So if you need to lose a couple $100, just do as many minis as you need, or as many round trips as you need. Tactical. Yeah, I fucked up too. I fucked up. Cody, ZB. I don't even know. It's some bond shit. It's right here. Look, ZBH. Oh wait, I don't have my chart on. Hold on. I'll turn my chart on in a second. Just type it in, Tradeday, and you'll be able to find it. ZBH, chat. Okay, chat. Thanks, chat. I'm gonna show my screen in a second. I just gotta finish logging into my accounts. One more to go. I need more coffee too, but let's get logged in. I'll show you what we're working with here. Adam B, what up? Actually, I'm not showing you guys shit until we get to 100 people on the stream. Which, who knows? The better I get at trading and the more payouts I get, the less people come to watch. Doesn't make any sense, but hey. Go watch somebody who fucking hides their account numbers and hides their fucking balances. Those people, you could definitely fucking count on them. All right, share screen. Or who can't get a fucking payout on a prop firm, but always finds a way to make $100 bajillion on their broker statement. Watch all those fucking guys. Not me. I'm actually showing real growth. And the more growth I show, the less people watch. It's fucking weird. Anthony Jr., Big Tick, Andy, JK, Renee from John J, Just My Style, Mikey. Where's my broker statement? My broker statement. Let's look at gold. Holy schmolies. Look at that. This is, well, here's the daily. This is one day. How many ticks? 835, 4583. This shit dropped 165 ticks, which is 165 points, which is 1,650 ticks. And then this is the daily, the fib I drew from this low to the all-time highs. And look, we just missed hitting the 707 and bounced off of it by like 400 something ticks when we did bounce. Hard to see because right here, 159 to 657, 500 tick bounce. And now we've just been kind of cucking around. It's starting to wake up a little bit, though. Alfred. Yeah, I'm a grower, not a shower. You know what I'm saying? Tim Morgan. It's a trap. Maybe because how I trade isn't sexy. That might be it. The fibs aren't sexy. People want fucking fair value gaps and ICT bullshit. Not that I'm saying it's bad. All that complex shit where all I do is just draw a Fibonacci and I just wait. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I need to just fucking draw all this crazy shit on the chart. You see right here, guys? Miss Goody. Miss Goody. You like, hey, salt and pepper in the house right here. Look at all this. I can't even hide it anymore. It's awful. Let him fib. I'm gonna fib right on this stream. Don't try to stop me. Don't try to stop me. I'm about to fib all over this fucking computer. Holy Earth. These yo, Miss Goody. Za, what up? Dave. She didn't know who Diddy was? Oh, man. I fibbed all. Timothy Chapo, yeah, man. It's great. Where's the NQ doing? Oh, shit. I didn't notice that. Hey-o. Let me come down here. Wow. NQ bounced 650. That's not even that much. It's 100 points. It just looks like a lot. It looks like a lot. You fibbed all over your belly button. You really had to dig in to clean that out, huh? This is the hair color. Yo, my hair was perfectly. Yo, before I started trading the NQ, my hair was perfectly brown. Yeah, that's a crazy one. That's a 4. Let's see the 15-minute. Here's the 15-minute. Yeah, it looks good. But look, hey, chat. You see this, chat? Watch this. Oh, wrong fucking way because I'm not on Tradeday. I'll be on Tradeday in a minute. Let's see. We're approaching the 786 on the NQ on this 15-minute chart. There's a 707. 786 is next. I wonder if it holds here. Oh, look. Maybe. You see, guys? You see, guys? Yo, holy earth. Maybe. Yo, Bill. I got back to you. You got to send me your, you might have already, your Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal so I can square up with you for your free account that you won. Congratulations again. Tim Morgan deleted his belly. Oh, no, you didn't. There it is. I thought you did that for the stream. Let's see if this holds. Look at that. You see, guys, We got a high, we got a low, and then we got this retracement to the 707. We're in the golden shower pocket right now. Uh-oh. Who's on here? Hey, yo, investors. Hey, yo, Leo. Kevin! When is the best time to trade gold? Anytime. Gold's crazy during the overnight. What's up, Bartolo? Yeah, whenever, bro. Whenever. What's up, David Schneider? Bowser. People are leaving where? Here? Amon, what up? Past 2 150K evals today on gold. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, I know. Because I'm not in a trade. They don't like watching me wait. They don't like watching me wait for a great entry. When we get to 100, I'll show my screen. Until then, I ain't showing shit. Austin, what up? Let's see what gold's doing. I've been waiting. I've actually been waiting for the 786 here. We just missed hitting the 707. I've been waiting for this 786. Made a light 7K today. Nice, bro. Just a casual $7,000 in one day. Love to see it. Marco, what's up? Love to see it. Trade for freedom. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Is that a 707 rejection? It finally it just missed hitting it. All right, we're over 100. All right, I'll show you some other shit. Let's start with this. Oh, some of them got approved. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the ones from the 23rd. We got approved. So that puts me at 14,611 plus 3036. I'm at $17,647 in payouts this month. Let's see if we got any more getting approved here. Let's see. Let's hit refresh again. We're still waiting on 6. Oh, they're still pending. Come on, please. Maybe by the end of the stream. We did get 4 approved so far. Thank you. Thank you. You want to see my tan lines? Tony Gold, what up? 15-minute orb since May. Yeah, the 15-minute orb is great. The 15-minute orb is awesome. All I look at are the fibs now. Thank you, thank you. Ronnie, Apex doesn't pay their traders. Matthew Van Zandt, what up? Yeah, a lot of people. Yeah, a bunch of people. You must be very profitable with them. Mikey, where they at? They don't come. Maybe that's why I don't have as many people on my streams. All the haters are they have dispersed. Where they at? All right, let's show you what else I got going on. Alfred. So let's start with Bullinox. Oh, I forgot to fucking. I had the daily loss limit set when I was working, when I basically clinched my 4th payout with the 2 funded accounts I have in here. I had it set so that I wanted to, on those flip days, I wanted to see if I could get green anyway, but I didn't want to lose too much money. So I had it set and I forgot to fucking turn it off after I got paid. So I lost $223 in both accounts and I couldn't trade anymore. So no harm, no foul, because I did get a trading day in. I got this day in. I got this in here. So I'm basically at break even since I got my payout. Actually, I'm a little bit over. I'm like $13 over. So the only thing I'm annoyed about with this is that in terms of like how the days go, there's 4 trading days this week. So I could have got 5 days in this week and then got 5 in on next week, requested on the 9th, and then got paid on the following Wednesday. Now I'm gonna have to wait a whole nother fucking week, which sucks.
Order filled.
Oh shit, I just got filled. So that's Bullinox. Oh, and I blew 3 evals, but I passed 2. I actually tried to pass some evals with Bullinox. I passed 2. So that's cool. But I'm gonna trade right now. My 786 order just got filled in Take Profit Trader. So probably time to pay attention. This is what I'm at with Take Profit Trader. Oh fuck. I've been waiting all day for this basically because we were cucking for like 2 hours. I was green by $85 in this account, in these 2 funded accounts. These 3 are just evals that I've been sitting on. I decided to trade them real quick, and I got them up halfway. I didn't trade my 150Ks yet. That's where I'm at so far in Take Profit Trader. Now I'm in this fucking trade, and I'm not feeling it because I just went red. But I think it's going to come back down for me. We'll see. I think this is a good spot for a rejection, but I could be wrong because gold just fucking popped. Gold just popped 100 ticks, but we'll see. No panicking here. Let's hit refresh on my Apex accounts again. We're going to have a payout refresh party. But I think I'm going to put a stop. Fuck me. Uh-oh. It's like I waited all day for this too. I waited like a couple of hours for this to get hit, and this is what I get. I guess it's good that I have these accounts that I'm actually starting to trade now, but fuck, man. Longhorn, what up? No skills. JB. You see, guys? Stoic, what up? What's good? Investor Z. Keegan. PK. DS. Hey, chat. This sucks. Because I don't have a lot of drawdown on these accounts to begin with, right? They're 25Ks. I'm intraday trailing on the funded accounts. I want to show you my other accounts, but I'm kind of in the middle of something right now, so I can't yet. I mean, it's nothing I've never worked down from, but I just don't like these accounts. I don't love them. Fuck me. What a bounce. What did it bounce off of? Let's see. 707. 486, 130 ticks. Uh-oh. Where's the next high from here? There is none. Until like way up there. Fuck it.
Order filled.
Just added some more. which I hate fucking doing. But my fib didn't play out, so now I gotta play this game. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know. I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna take the L, and then we'll fucking regroup. I came close to being at break even. It ain't happening. Fuck, man. I mean, this shit just went. Dude, I can't. I'll be the first one to admit, like, and I've said it before. I can't trade gold when it's parabolic like this. I do not trade gold well when it's literally fucking going parabolic. I'm working on getting better at it though. Oh, you see, I am the best trader when gold is parabolic, motherfucker. Give me that fucking money, son. I'm locking that in. Give me that money. Give it to me. It's going to go lower. Will I still be in? Will I still be in? Give it to me.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Now it's going to dump. Watch it dump 150 billion trillion ticks. Hey, we did it, Joe. I'll take that. Lucky guesses. Yeah, P shenanigan. Holy Earth, it's going to 5K. Don't worry. Don't worry. Not today, though. Oh, look. What did I say? I fucking, look, now I just had to wick over it real quick. It's going to, oh my God, kill me. Kill me. Let's hit refresh on these Apex payouts. Still pending. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right. How many more ticks did this go down? It just went down like 12. Oh, shit. 12 more ticks. Holy Earth, yeah? Elmi, what up? Longhorn, Project X is going away anyway, bro. No skills. Project X is, oh my God. Project X is kiss it goodbye. Top Step rug pulled all the other firms that they had using it. But it's going away for good in February. I don't know exactly when. What a fucking drop. You see that? Hey, you see that? Fuck. 88. It dropped another 27 ticks. I wish I was still in. It didn't even go back up that much. I'm such a pussy. But you know what happened was I was down pretty big on the initial fucking entry. DS, they're just going around asking everybody. Don't take it personal. Yeah, PK. The only place you'll be able to trade it moving forward is on fucking not Top Step. All right, let's show you the rest of the accounts. I gotta slow down these timer bots. The shit wasn't working right. Yeah, keep working and then keep trading with them, bro. I'm not saying not to. You know? But that's the only place you'll be able to if you want to mess with Project SlipX. Check this out. So we saw Bullinox. You see my take profit trader accounts. I don't think I want to trade these 25Ks anymore. So we're gonna move on to the 50Ks, the 150K. Sorry, the Fibby 150s, which are these Mars, Alfred. my apologies. All right, so there's that. Here's where I really fucked up. You want to see where I really fucked up? This fucking account. This is my funded Lucid account that was at 2,800 going into today, with three days of 150 or more. And the first trade, you want to see the first fucking trade? I had to be a greedy little prick. The first trade, I had my $150 day locked. All I had to do was just not touch it anymore. But I was annoyed with how it was playing out. Gold was moving crazy, and it was in that parabolic mode. It was dumping. And I should have just been happy with that and called it a day. And I tried to get more. I kept trying to get more, and I fucking blew it. I'm so fucking pissed. I haven't done that in a while. I haven't been that close to a payout and blown the account and blown a funded account in a little while. So it kind of, it sucks that it happened, but you know what? I'm only human. But what I did after was grab some more flex accounts because I really like these Lucid flex accounts. You could get 40% off any 25K and 50K Lucid account right now with the best code 0DayJ. Chat. Okay, chat? But yeah, I took these halfway because they have a 50% consistency rule only on eval. So they're halfway up. I'll replace this tomorrow. These will be replaced. This one will be replaced with these two, hopefully. That's the plan. Yo, I mean, Holy Earth, I'll play the game with Apex, although they could just watch me stream. Who cares? Give them your strategy. Pine Tree, what up? What up? Who cares? Just give them what they want. If you want to get paid by them, just give them what they want. What's Silver doing? Is Silver pumping too? Oh, look at Silver. Imagine buying the dip on metals. Imagine telling people to buy the dip and Silver's at 70. So crazy. So crazy. Silver spot today. Watch this. You want to see Silver spot? And I'll show you the rest of my accounts. Silver spot went as high as almost $84. Spot, like when you go to the fucking coin shop to buy silver. Just under $84 an ounce. Look at the range. Crazy. Crazy, yo. All right. So you saw Lucid, you saw Bull and Ox. You saw Take Profit Trader. I don't know. I want to trade these 150Ks, but I don't know. I'm just worried gold wants to go parabolic again. Oh, look at that happy little 786 rejection. All right, so that's that. That's that, chat. All right. Next, Apex. Notice I have an eval here that's passed. It's because I had to replace another fucking account I blew. I blew 528. And I was actually green in unrealized gains in the first trade I took. And then it just got, gold went parabolic when I was trading this account and I couldn't fucking, I just couldn't get out of my own way. But whatever, I don't care. It's okay because I have 19 others and I just got approved on 4 of them. I'm waiting on 6 others to get approved. They're pending, but now I'm going to get a flip day in on 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8. They're going to get I'm going to get a flip day in so I can get my first trading day to work on the next payout, right? Right, chat? So 528. The other thing about 528 is that I'm okay with it, just like the Lucid account. I'm okay with it. Sucks, right? I don't want to blow accounts, right? I've been much better about it. However, they were by themselves. They weren't in a group with other accounts. So that one Lucid account blew and this one Apex account blew. Better this one blowing than, let's say, this group of 6 accounts right here blowing. You know what I mean? I only lost 1 account and I already replaced it. This one was only on day 2 anyway. So it's fine. It's okay, chat. And then I tried to pass a few. I went 1 for 4. I don't care. These are a bunch of evals that came through on rebuilds that I didn't even necessarily want. By the way, any size Apex account right now is $19.60 with the best code 0DayJ. Anthony Jr. How do I love Tradeday. CP, what's good? A lot of people got that email. V33, what up? Hey, great job on that recovery on those accounts, man. Eric J. Hide your red is triggering. Maybe I should just hide my accounts altogether, right, chat? Here we go. Now I could be like everybody else. Now I could be like the best traders on YouTube. The best traders. Langers, what up? What up? Now I'm like the best. So here's what else. Here's what else is going on. Here's what else is going on with these accounts, right? Right, chat? Watch this. Hey, chat. Look. So 520. Let me show you on the, let's hit refresh again. All right, we're still pending. Let me go to the PA charts page. Here's the PA charts page. All right, 520 to 526. 520 to 526. I'm on day 6. I'm on day 6 with those. Why am I missing accounts? What the fuck? Oh, there it is. I was like, where's this one? 520 to 526 are now, 520 to 525 are now at $1,744 in profit. I'm on day 6. Day 6 is in the books. 526 right here is over the buffer. I'm on day 5. Will I keep pushing? Yes. I will keep trying to grow it over the next 3 days. I need 3 more days to trade anyway. 526 over the buffer. So if I were to just flip the rest of the way, I could and just take $536, but I'm going to see if I could grow it a little more. It's all by itself anyway. It's not going to, I'm confident in my ability to trade and grow the accounts. So we'll see how it goes. 503. This was the one. This was paired with 504, and they both got denied. They both got denied, but today is day 8. I didn't really want to get $1,000. I wasn't trying to get $1,000. It kind of just happened. But I did get $1,003 from 503. This account's at 6,300. I'm requesting today. I'm requesting a max payout on 503 today after the market closes. Hopefully I could do it for the stream. Oh, and then we got 517. You see 517, chat? 517 was paired with 513, which I already requested on. And I'm waiting. It's pending right now. They were paired together because their balances were identical, even though they were a day apart. So 517 was a day behind 513. I'm waiting on 513 to get approved. But now I'm on day 8 with 517. So guess what? I'll be requesting today with that one as well. I'll be requesting $3,325. So I'm going to be requesting, not 33, sorry, 1,325 with 517 and 2,000 with 503. So 3,325 total I'll be requesting from Apex today after the market closes, hopefully for the stream. Hopefully. We'll see. Let me get my flip days in real quick. What group is that? I got to find the group. And I'll show you one other. I got to show you my trade day. I still got my trade days I got to show you. What is that, 503? No, 505. What numbers got approved? Hold up, though. 505, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so we're going to go to find 5, 6, 7, and 8. We got them. Now I got to figure out what group they're in. What group are they in? Manage groups. Fibtastic? No. FibD's nuts? No. Master Fibsterbator? There they are. Okay. Master Fibsterbator. I just want to get a flip day in today on these. Because what I learned with Apex is if you get approved for a payout, they take out the balance, but then that fucking negative number, which was just them taking the payout out of your account, is applied somehow in the charts. So you're better off just getting a flip day in with Apex, okay, chat? So we're gonna do that right now, and then I'll resume my regular trading tomorrow when the next session starts. So we're gonna go to micro gold because fuck the NQ, and we're just gonna try. Whoop, wrong way. We're just gonna try to win some fucking win a quick trade. Where we at? Where we at, chat? Interesting. Even if I lose, I don't care. They took the money out already. Oh, look at that 707 bounce. Is it going to come back for me? Kasalisk.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck. Should have put the order down here. It's okay, though. It's just micro. It's just a micro. 1 micro per account. I already got paid. Just ain't right. Mwah. Fallacy, what up?
Stop filled.
All right. Oh, that sucks. I lost $20. Oh well. I lost $20 in these. It's okay. I just got paid. I just needed to get a flip day in. That's not what I wanted to happen though, but it happens. So I'm done with Apex for the day unless all of these get approved too. They're still pending. All right, let's go back to Take Profit Trader. Flip days do no, it's not no. Flip days don't have to be $50, bro. You need 5 days of $50 or more for Casalisk, and then you could flip the other ones. So that's a flip day. You need 5 trading days to count. You need $50 or more to have a qualified trading day. Trevor Lacanti. Yeah, no problem, Casalisk. Trevor Lacanti's here. Smash the like button for Trevor Lacanti. Alexander, what up? Why am I flipping? Because for I can't. I ran into a situation on an account that I requested a second payout on with Apex, where it didn't count that first day after I got paid, even though I had more than $50 because it added the money. It also included it counted. Look at it, it's gonna go back up now. It counted the money that it took out also. So I ended up with a red day and it didn't count it. Even though I was able to request, it wouldn't let me at the same time. So I just get the flip day on the accounts I get paid on. It's just a little glitch in their reporting. Man, I hate being fucking red. I hate being red. Am I gonna have to fucking trade these? I don't want to. I'm such a fucking degenerate. Clinvale. Wow. Are you profitable with them? 6 Billy bands. Not everything yet. Not everything. Gilbert, what's up? It's going pretty good. I got approved for $3,036 worth of payout requests that I've been waiting on. I'm just waiting on these to be approved or whatever. Pretty sure they'll all be approved except for maybe one, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's expand this. Let's try again. One more time. One more time. I hate being red. Might make it worse, but whatever. Oh, is the 707 going to hold this time? Motherfucker. Or is this the low? Is that the spot? That's right, Alfred. Martin Suarez, what up? Market Extreme, what's good? Yeah, whatever's in your account, active subscriptions, past evals, all that shit, you could still trade those. They just don't, I guess they just won't want you buying new ones. Wow, look, I got stopped out here. What was my entry? 85. That was a shitty entry. That's the problem. I'd be green. Motherfucker. And it bounced off of from this low from the high to the low here. It bounced off the 707. How many ticks? You bastard. You bastard. Let's try again. One more try with these accounts. I hate being red. I wanted to flip and be green, not be red. Oh, let me show you trade day in the meantime. Where's my trade day? Look at this trade day. Look where we are. Over the buffer. Over the buffer. Woo! And I got this other eval. I got up nine. It was actually up 924 or something. I lost money on purpose. 930. I forgot what the number was. But hey, we got 1,086 in these two 50K funded trade days. Who was asking me about trade day? Trade day is the shit. I think I said what's up to Raphael before. Yeah, Raphael. Who was asking about trade day though? Thomas, what up? Not from me, but so a bunch of people apparently. Trade day. What I'm gonna get paid. I'm gonna request this money later and get the money in the morning. It's 5 days. Any new accounts purchased from trade day, from like I don't even know September on or some shit like that or October on is 5 days. 5 days to pass, minimum. Just like Take Profit Trader. 30% consistency rule, though, on the evals. No consistency rule on funded accounts. I will be requesting a total of, I don't know if I'm going to go all the way down to the buffer because, I don't know, they're weird about shit like that, from what I understand. It hasn't happened to me, but I don't want to run into an issue like that. Oh, Anthony, yeah, they're great. Never had an issue getting paid by them. Never had an issue. I just haven't. I went live with them. I went on such a tear with them. I got paid like 8 days in a row, and then they pushed me live. And then I was able to get 2 payout. I was able to get 1 payout, and then I blew it, and they actually sent me the rest of the money, like whatever was left over. So I would have liked to have held on to that. It was because I was being a greedy prick. That's why I still don't have that live account, because I was being a greedy fucking pig. So this time around, if I could get to that point, I will be different. I'll be better. With Take Profit Trader in one day, if you do more than 10K in a day, they will. If you hit 10K in a day, they will push you to Pro Plus. But I think it, on an account by account basis, I think it's like 20,000 total before they push you to Pro Plus, which is live, and that's just on an account basis. But if you get to the point where you have every account, as many as 5 live accounts, whenever you blow them and then you pass new ones, I think they're just going to keep pushing you into live accounts. You'll just forever be a live trader at that point. Yeah, trade day. Charles. Yeah, they're just doing a clean sweep, I guess, Charles, to fucking close out the year. But yeah, I'll be requesting, I don't know, I think I'm just going to request 450. I'm going to request 900, which means I'll end up with 720. So I got 14,611 before today. Then I got approved on 3,036 from Apex, plus 720. I'll be at 18,367 once trade day pays me for the month. And I got all of this shit pending. Oh, more approved. Oh. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you see, chat? Apex doesn't pay their traders. They're doing it for the stream. Hey, shout out to whoever's reviewing my accounts. Thank you. Hey, I just passed fucking 20K for the first time ever trading with prop firms. We did it, Joe. We did it. Oh, Jay Jackson. Woo. Vincenzo. Where are the fucking haters at? Where are you? Where they at? All I hear is fucking crickets. Oh, man. What the fuck are they going to say now? He gets too many payouts. He gets too many. Let's do some more fucking math. Let's add some more. 644 plus 730 plus 750 plus 707. Oh, 21,198. My best month ever. In the books. That's why they're doing the sale, because they got to keep paying me. They're doing 90% off. $19.60 any size account because of me. Look at all these payouts. You love it. You like that. Let's see if we could get these done too today. Give me another $3,208. What'll that be if I get approved on those? 24,406, and I'm requesting another 3,300 today. I'm requesting another 3,325. Pine Tree. That's right, Pine Tree. It's all because I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry, chat. Elmi, thank you. Oh man, I just remember all the people running their fucking mouths. Where are they? Nowhere. What numbers are these anyway? 5, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right. Oh, look at me. I just missed getting filled. I literally got missed by what? How many ticks? 3 ticks. Son of a cotton. Wait a moment. Wait a minute. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Bro, my time, I mean, it's always been my time. Just the time hasn't fucking caught up until, I mean, before the meltdown in September and the beginning of October, before that shit show, I was still at like $88,000 in payouts or 84,000. It wasn't like I wasn't getting payouts. I just was very inconsistent. I was blowing accounts left and right. But since October 16th, let's get rid of this. This is booked, right? Since October 16th, $47,278 since October 16th. How many weeks is that? 10 weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks, let's just say. What am I averaging? 6,000 a week since fucking October 16th now? Come on, right here. I don't want to be red. I don't want to be red in these. I don't want to be red. Hey, Zeus. You know what I'm saying? Charles. Ben, what up? How do I trade gold? I trade the fibs. Oh, I think my dogs want to get out. I got to get more coffee. Let's go for a walk. A stroll in the house of DGen. Tony Gold. Yeah, bro. Sign me up. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. I wish I was trading my 150K take profit traders, but I just hate the fact that I'm red here.
Order filled.
All right. Can I get 20-something ticks? Uh-oh. If I get stopped out again, I'll stop fucking with these accounts. Granny, don't. All right, let's go. I mean, that's not the only way, Ben. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Whatever you look for in the NQ, it'll play out the same in gold. What I changed was, I'm only trading micros in these accounts because, although I could have gotten a break even, these are. I'm just trying to get I'm trying to get a green flip day in, but I fucked it up. So I guess I'm gonna get stopped out again. I could stop playing with these accounts. Wow, I got to expand this fib.
Stop filled.
Fucker. All right. Now it's going to bounce. Where's the other managed groups? All right, I'm done fucking with those. Fibtastic. Fibtastic is the group I got to trade. The other group. Wow, gold is fucking dropping. Damn.
Stop filled.
Can I have a green flip day on these? No? Jesus. I need to, where's the low? I need to, oh, is this the fucking spot? This might be the spot. No. I'm like literally standing in the middle of the fucking room. Good thing I'm trading micros, right? 1 micro. How much did I go down? 40? I don't need that much if it comes back up. Oh boy.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see if the 786 holds. I'll take the L on the first contract I entered. I don't care about that. Just want to get out green. Can I get out green, or is this going to keep dropping? Jeez. What was my fucking entry? My fucking was resistance. All I wanted to do was get flip days in. How hard can it be to get a flip day in? $97.42. That's what, 55? I forgot my coffee cup. 55, 13, 97 and 13. Can it hit that? Too bad this isn't a take. Look at that 786 bounce. Too bad I'm not trading my fucking take profit trader account. I don't want to violate the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule here. That's why I'm fucking. This is where my take profit is, and it just missed it by how many ticks? 8 ticks. What kind of bounce was that? 42. That was a 60 tick bounce. I wish I was trading my take profit traders, bro. This is stupid. Wasting time trading these, getting a flip day in. But we'll see. Let's see if I get it. Either way, I'm going to get stopped out for a gain, regardless of what happens here. It's not even going to count as a $50 day, just so you know. I still got to get 5 $50 days in, no matter what. Hit that shit. Oh, my God. But whatever. I guess I give myself some more room. Oh, hit it. Hit it. Granny. I'll move this up a little bit. Amazing. It couldn't go up 2 more ticks, 3 more ticks. Story of my life. It will, though. It will after I get taken out. but that's okay.
Stop filled.
I got a green flip day, and that's all I wanted. We're good. All right, let's go get this coffee. Let's hit refresh some more on these. Oh. All right. Green flip day. Red flip day. But I only lost. That sucks, though. Whatever. This is going to go up more. It's going to retest around here, probably. That's what I think, at least. Let me just make sure I have no open orders on these. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Now. Yeah, me and parabolic gold moves just don't get along. But I don't know. I mean, unless you're going with it, right? Unless it's working in your favor. But that's what I tend to get in trouble when I trade.
Is ground support services about the landscaper?
Yeah.
The guards can hate this problem, but you might have to add them back on the list.
I never took them off. Yeah, I don't know. I never took them off. Some of those guards don't. They just think they got to call for everybody.
I don't think so.
Sorry, chat. Yeah, I'll have to check the thing.
Did they text you that they were on their way?
I don't know. They might have. I'm not looking at my phone. Probably. Yeah, I know. How fast was she going?
90.
Yeah. No one's on the road at that time, you know?
But he put on her ticket. He said he did her a favor. He only did that she was doing 10 over.
Oh,
He
so
said
she's still.
otherwise you would be going to jail.
What?
For doing 90 and a 65.
So she has to go to court and all that stuff?
Your license.
Did she get anything about her insurance? He didn't give her.
He said he was able to find it.
Oh, yeah. My daughter got pulled over doing 90 in a 65 in the morning
On the highway.
on the highway. I mean, everybody drives 90 on the freeway, but
Not me.
not at 3 a.m. There's no one driving. Yeah, I feel bad. She's probably gonna get points on her license.
Yeah. but
It's a
she
legal
said
violation.
One of her coworkers told her to take on the force to get the points reduced.
Yeah, the defensive driving. All right, chat. Wow, look at that bounce off the 786. What a fucking bounce. So there's my take profit. There's my take profit. Like I said, my take profit is going to get hit. Because that shit always happens to me. Always. Why is my ringer not on? Let me go back to the apex. I want to show you my take profit. My take profit was here at 512. It went up to 523. All I had to do was just hold for a couple more fucking candles. But whatever. It doesn't even matter. Today doesn't matter. Today doesn't matter for these accounts that got approved. Chris Kelly, what up? Scooby. Yeah, I got to tell her. She knows about it. I just don't think she runs it because it tells you if there's cops. What up, Ree? How do I draw and understand the fib? I look for highs and lows, and I draw them between the highs and lows. And then if it goes through it, if you guys were watching, you saw me expand it. You saw me expand it because it just kept dropping. So I went and looked like I was looking for a spot for a bounce. So I went to the next low. If it blew through this, I would have found the next low, which is here. And that's just how I do it. I expand them. You know what I mean? And even to this low right here, it bounced off the 618. But for this low, it bounced off the 786. Now, somebody might be some fucking fib connoisseur and say that I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. I'm at 23,000. What am I at for the month? 21,000, 23,000. I don't even fucking know. I'm losing count for the month in payout. So however I'm doing, it must be working pretty good. It's fluid. I look at the fibs as something fluid. So now, let me go back to Take Profit Trader. Wait, let's hit refresh again. Let's hit refresh. Oh, damn. They're working through them. I know that because look. Look at all these up. Oh, man. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. All right. Now, all right. I'm going to draw a new fib. Let me get rid of this. We're going to go from the last high. On Tradeday, you got to do it opposite as how you would do it on TradingView. To find a spot for a rejection, you got to go from the last low to the last high. That's what I'm drawing. That's how I'm going to draw it. And if it fails, like if it blows through this fucking golden shower pocket, and if you to change everything, you got to double click on this. And if you want to change your settings, here are my settings. Take a screenshot. I don't know. Take a screenshot or whatever. This is what I look for. I love the 707 and the 786. The 618 is good too. But I wait because it goes through the 618 often to the 707. So right now, if we were to blow through this, I would just move it up to this high. And if we blow through that, I'd move it up to the next high. So really, this 786 did kind of hold. It just wicked over it by a bunch. But man, look, I was in that trade with the 25Ks. I'm so glad I got this much. It went down how many more ticks? 88. It went down 140 more fucking ticks. So stupid. But whatever. The account, I have almost all my drawdown, and the account's almost halfway to the buffer. Can't complain. It is what it is. Castalis. I do. I hate the NQ. I don't fuck with it. I barely trade the NQ, even on evals now. I just stay away from the NQ. I fucking can't stand it. I can't fucking stand it. Pimp Daddy, what up? No problem. 618 on the 4 hour is money, yeah, but also on the 4 hour, if the 618 doesn't hold, there's a lot of space between the 618 and the 707. That's why I'll just wait. I'll just wait. What's the NQ doing? I know you guys. Wow, the NQ popped. 87. Here's an example of me. Like it blew through the 786, so I should have expanded this. I don't pay attention to the NQ much, really. But here's the next high. Here's the next high right here. And look, it rejected right off the 786. The NQ, the fibs play out on the NQ on any instrument. I just hate the NQ. After what happened to me in September, I decided I'm never fucking with that shit again. I didn't finally break free from the NQ with my funded accounts until like the end of October, beginning of November. I haven't traded the NQ on a funded account ever since. Gold is great. Even before this shit, all this crazy shit that's going on with gold. What up, GR? It's just, I don't know. I just find it's just better. And you could trade it like all day. Of course I'm still alive. Why wouldn't I be alive? Sigma. Where'd I go? Where'd I go, bro? Where did you go? You were hanging out with other streamers. I know it. Monica. Sly Fox, what up? Yeah. P. Option exchange, what up? I don't really have a specific target. 12 on a 50K Apex, 1230 is the most I would go for, because of the 40%, the 30% consistency rule, and max payout land is 4,100. Alfred Sicoli, what's good? There really is no consistency rule on take profit trader funded accounts, Chris. Just don't do more than 10,000 in a day in any account. It will get fucking pushed to live. And they'll take some of your profit and move that to your live account. A bunch of it. Jay Jackson, what up? Thank you, bro. Woo! DJ, that's right. I fibbed my way in and I fibbed my way out. Reed, did you see how I drew the fibs? What am I doing looking at fucking NQ? Fuck the NQ. You see how I drew that shit? If you're doing it on TradingView, it's this way. Let me get rid of this. On TradingView, it's if you want to draw a fib for a bounce, right? You go from the low to the high. And if you want to draw for a rejection, you go from the high to the low. You see, chat? Let's hit refresh again. Oh, pay me that money, son. What did NQ do during that? Was this the algo candle? Hold on. Was this it, really? 12.50-minute MOC candle. What a fucking nothing burger. Maybe there'll be more. Stop being a degen. Never. I'm a different type of degen now, though. I'm more refined. T. Charles, what up? Mr. Beg Beef. Yeah, a lot of people do fibs and measured moves together. They look for that confluence. I don't even know how to look for a measured move. I might want to look into it. Carlos. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Vincenzo. They take them back. I don't know how it works with Take Profit Trader, but with Tradeday, they took my balance, whatever I had left, and put that into my Tradeday account, into my live account. Mars. Don't they give you, yeah, but they give you something. They have to take the balance from somewhere. Yeah. Don't they have to take whatever's in your account? Some of it, at least? How do they decide what you're going to get? They base it on something. Are we going to retest this fucking, oh, here we go. 55-minute candle. There we go. 734. 10 points. Woo! The whole move so far for MLC, the range on MLC is 25 points. It's like nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, I don't know yet. Mars, I want to find out myself soon. I'm going to find out eventually. At some point, that's my goal, really, is just to go live with 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. That's why I'm just taking my time growing these accounts. Yeah, but what was your drawdown? What was the drawdown they gave you? And great job getting those Pro Plus accounts. Oh, Trump's talking right now? Oh, so they give you what your drawdown was. But you also will, if you get 10,000, if you have a $10,000 day, you're not going to be able to request all of that money down to the buffer. So just don't let yourself do more than $10,000 in a day on a pro account. Alfred, fuck that, bro. It could also, 1 mini could also fuck my account completely. I'll just hold my silver and look at it. See, like now, I could see this is the NQ. I don't know. I could see it coming down. Here's the last low. Here's another low. Here's another low. I can see it coming down, retesting the VWAP. Oh, yeah. Now that the VWAP's in the right fucking place. 707. Wick below the 707 and hit the VWAP and bounce. I can see that maybe potentially. You got the 786 right here. Then if not, if it blows through that, I expand to the next low. Here's the next low. The VWAP's at the 618 in that case. And then the next low after that is down here. You see, guys? Anyway. Rub some silver on those Tory tan lines. Vincenzo, yeah. Let us know how it goes. I'm good on that. I got to rely on other traders to get paid? Fuck that. I'm finally learning how to rely on myself to get paid. I do. Sigma. All the shit is being manipulated. Gold's just been pumping and pumping. It's just a minor pullback for the next high. If you look at the daily, we made a new all-time high. Now we're back around where the previous all-time high was before we made new all-time highs. You go to the weekly, like all we've been doing. The last time it pulled back pretty hard too. And it took weeks. Like, look, here was the last all-time high before we made the new ones last week. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks. It took over 2 months to come back up and make a new all-time high. Even here, new all-time high, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It took 3 months. 3 months. Here's another example. I'm on the weekly chart. All-time high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 months plus. So that's how it goes with gold. Everything's going crazy right now. Was that a 618 bounce? Watch this. Maybe not. Let's see. So here's the high. Here's the last low. Almost a 786. Just pretty much. You see, chat? You see that? You see, guys? Bacon, what up? Holy Earth, yeah. Donna, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Leaders, what up? How do I decide? I look for highs and lows. Here's a high, here's a low. And depending on which way I'm playing it, for a rejection or a bounce, I'll start. If I want to play it for a rejection on Tradeday, I start from the low and go to the high. So this one, let me get rid of all of these. I'll draw a new one from scratch. I'm going to come out with a course, $10,000 on how to do this, but for today, one time only, I'm going to show you guys for free. Or you can use my code 69 times, the best code. Any prop firm, any combination of prop firms, you can get my course for free. You can hang out in my Discord, all that shit. The best community on these prop firm streets. This isn't the only way to trade. This is just what's working for me. All right? So many ways to trade. There's so many different people in the Discord that bank, and they do it. We don't all trade the same. And there's so many guys in the Discord and girls, just traders in there that are much better than me. JSP, that's right. Use my code 69 times, chat. So look, let me draw it from the high to the low. I'm going to draw it for a rejection. From this low, here's the low. Here's the high. Oh, rejected off the 618. Why did I have my order here? Oh, probably because I had my high here. That's why. I went up to this high. But you could go from the last low and the last high. And sure enough, it just missed hitting the 707. And look, it's down 60 ticks. Now I'm going to draw a fib. That's for a rejection on Tradeday only. It's backwards on Tradeday. Trading View and Project SlipX, you got to do the other way around. Now, if I want to draw for a bounce, I'm going to start from this last high and go to the last low. I could start at this low, but I think I want to go to this low. I feel like it's going to go lower. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put an order right here. And sure enough, it's bouncing off of that spot. But I'm going to have an order right here. I'm being conservative because you know what? Gold's been moving crazy all fucking day. And I don't want to fucking – I want to grow accounts, not lose money. So if I don't get filled, I don't lose money. But I also don't – I miss out. You know what I mean? But anyway, maybe we'll put it here. Right there. So many times I put it right there and it doesn't fill me and it bounces. Maybe I get filled on this one though. I'm scared. Look, you got to be fucking kidding me. 2 ticks away. Could it fill me? Could it give me? Famous last words. Now I'm going to get filled and I'm going to regret it. I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Oh, you guys want the Discord link? You mother... Yo. All right, you guys want to join? Hey, you guys, listen. You got to use my code 69. Oh, my God. I just missed getting filled by 2 ticks. I literally said that was going to happen. It's up 20 ticks. Granny, no. You guys want to be in the best community on these prop firm streets? It's free for now. Nathaniel, what up? What did I say, guys? Hey, chat. Hey, chat. You see that, chat? Hey, chat. Unbelievable. This shit happens to me all day. I'm always trying to be more precise, too. That's the other thing. Oh, was I? Oh, shit, yeah. 1 tick. No, I think it's not in a bad spot. That's a different fib. That's an older one. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Shit. Yo. But I don't think it would have mattered because I had it for the overshoot. It looked right on it. I had it for an overshoot, like a wick below it, and I didn't get filled. Look at this shit. $40-something ticks. Let's hit refresh. Oh, please, before the stream ends. Please, Granny. Just take the trade, Mikey. Oh, holy earth, man. I am the biggest dick for a tick. I really am. Yeah, they approved 8 of them. 8. That's a total of 3036 plus 730 plus 750 plus 707 plus 644. $5,867 plus I'm also requesting. I'm going to get it. It's not even a matter of requesting. I'm going to get, after I request from Tradeday, after they take their 20%, I'm going to end up with 720 from them. And I'm at 14,611 for the month. I'm at 21,198 as we speak right now with 3,208 pending. 3,208 is pending right now. And I'm going to be requesting 3,325. I could, if these get approved and the 2 I'm going to request after the market closes get approved, I could be at $27,731 for the fucking month. Did gold really pump that hard? Oh my God. You see? Oh my God. By 1 tick, 2 ticks. It went up. How many ticks? 74. 56 ticks. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I still want this. Let's see. Where did it reject? Just a little bit above the 707. That's what I was hoping for down here. I wish it would have went a little bit below the 707 on the when it bounced, and I would have gotten filled and I'd be up 50, 60 fucking 50 ticks. Clarence. No, not me. Leo. A lot of people, though. You're not the only one. You know why they don't ask me? Because they see me trading Apex. They know how I trade. They know I guess my way in and I guess my way out. You think so, Jesus? I think I got a ways to go before that happens. But look, I didn't get filled. I'm annoyed. I didn't chase either. I'm annoyed. I probably should have chased. But I'm not mad. Like, whatever. I'll just wait for the next opportunity, which is about to fucking come right now. Fuck it. I bet it blows through here, though. It's going to fill this and blow through it. But whatever. We'll see.
Order filled.
What a fucking move, though. Look at this. 75. 80 tick. It went up 80 ticks. 80 ticks from my non-fill by 2 ticks. Crazy. Can't make the shit up. Cashol. Doom Lord. ERB. Thank you. Thank you.
Order filled.
What did I tell you guys? I fucking know this shit every fucking time. When you look at this shit, you kind of know what's gonna happen every fucking time. Doesn't mean I don't fall for it, but I always see this shit happening. Shit always happens to me. What a fucking move. It went up fucking 95 ticks. 95 fucking ticks. Oh, I'm fucked. Now I feel like I gotta expand this. Who the fuck is this? I gotta take this. Hello. Yeah. Man, I'm kind of like I would love for you to come early, but I'm streaming right now, and I'm not gonna get off until like around like 2. Unless like I could if you come. I gotta get like my dogs all set up so they don't bother you and shit. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. If you could come at 2, that'd be great. All right, thank you. All right, bye. Oh, awesome. I missed out on $300 because his fucking phone call. Fuck. Hell yeah. Streaming above everything else. I'm fucking trading, son. These guys that are going to fucking swap out my filters and give me a quote for a whole house filter. They told me 2 to 4. And I had $300. I mean, that was quick. I don't know if I would have been able to get out quick enough anyway, unless I had to take profit around here. Like, look at the way. Oh, fuck. Look at the way the candle wicked down and then popped right back up. Oh, fuck me, man. Yeah, I'm gonna. I don't want to lose money in these accounts. Fuck me. Fuck. But that's exactly what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna get right back in. Let's hit refresh. Still pending. I mean, I did request these on the 26th, so that was on Friday. They're probably a little backed up because of the holidays. You know what I mean? Oh, I wish I added. Get the fuck down there. Keep going. Carlos. Nice, bro. Yassine. Chris. I mean, I am from Long Island. I am from Long Island, so come on, baby, keep going. Give me a big move down. Or just you gonna stop me out? Give me 100, give me 90 ticks. Yeah. I'm taking it. Give me more. Can we get more? Fuck me, bro. Why can't I just get more? Why is it the ones that I miss getting filled by a tick or two is the ones I always get fucked? I don't get anything on. And then these,
Stop
I end
filled.
up with fucking crumbs. So fucking annoying. That's the most annoyingest shit ever. Yeah, let's try this again. Leo, hey, I just want mine. You can get yours too. Monica, I'm more unlucky than lucky. I missed getting filled by 2 ticks, and it went up. It went up 105 ticks. I missed it by 2 fucking ticks. How am I lucky? And then I got fucking crumbs on this one. I grew up in Valley Stream. I lived there until I was 21. How is that lucky? Me getting filled by 2 ticks, and then it bounces 105. And then I get this little bullshit here. I guess I got lucky on the. It came back for me. Why? Where you from? Sigma. Let's go. Approved. At least we got approved on these. On D's. And I'm going to request another 3,300. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do it for the stream because this guy's going to be here. Mikey, yeah, they only pay their streamers. Apex only pays their streamers. And they only deny me these 2 times only just to make an example of me, right? D's. Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, no doubt, bro. Yeah, right? Valley Stream. You know Valley Stream then, right? You know the Green Acres Mall? I literally could cross over Sunrise Highway and be in that mall. I was on the last block before Sunrise Highway. Oh, look at it drop now, of course. Fucking bullshit. Typical fucking bullshit. Let's get rid of this. Let's make this bigger. Let's fluff this fib a little bit, shall we? We're going to fluff this fib here. This might not be a bad spot either. Investor Z, thank you, sir. O'Brien. Yeah, right by the Toyota deal. Right, dude. You know, O'Brien, you know A&P and where the Ford dealer was? I was on that block, South Terrace Place. My best friend in life grew up on the block that you would walk up to go to the Toyota dealership on Montgomery. And then my other best friend lived on Montague. And then another boy lived on Jamaica. And then I had another boy that lived on the other side down by Clear Street. I was on South Terrace Place. Shore Road. Yeah, K. Soliman. Yeah, bro. Oh, you're from Albania? Oh, shit. Why would I get the Apex email? They know how I trade. Not every single trader with Apex got the email either. Merrick Road in Jamaica, Queens. Okay. Yeah, bro. Chilling with 50. They already know how I trade. They've been watching me trade for fucking 2 years. Yeah, they want to make sure that you're not using a third-party service because they're out there. I saw an ad, so I enabled I could pick and choose when I put ads on my videos or my live streams. On my own fucking live stream, I saw an ad for one of those services that say we'll pass your eval for you and we'll get you payouts on Apex. So they're just trying to protect themselves from being scammed. They don't know that you're not doing that. They want to see if what you're talking about backs up what you've been paid. Just send them the same thing then, bro. I don't know. Bro, I get it, man. I get it. But if you want to get paid, you play the game. If they asked me to send my fucking strategy or a video of me trading, I would. I would be glad to if it meant I would get paid. I don't know. Apex sent out like a mass email to a bunch of people asking them for their trading strategy. And then a bunch of other people saying that they can't buy any more evals, the more profitable people. Yeah, and if you're profitable, I mean, they might decide they don't want you buying any more accounts because they're losing money on you. Marcine, any from Cranbrook? I got lots of friends from Cranbrook. It's a private school. No, winning is not cheating, but dude, just so many people, you would be fucking surprised what goes on. Of course this shit drops lower. Of fucking course. You would be surprised. 52. Wow, another 23 ticks. I'm so glad I got out. But whatever. I got to protect the bag. If it takes me, there'll be days, like I had a day where I did like $900. There'll be days I do 900, 1,000 or whatever. Like, look, I'm trading my Tradeday account the same way. And I got 1,000 in both of these accounts, 1,086 actually. So there'll be days like that with the Take Profit Trader. I'm just not fucking forcing anything. I'm not forcing shit. One of my biggest objectives is to retain as much drawdown as possible. I don't want to be running into drawdown issues. PJ. With Apex, I don't know. I don't know anyone that's been live on Apex. It's probably one. Most prop firms, almost all of them will only give you one live account. With the exception of Take Profit Trader, you could get as many as 5. And I think Lucid also will give you as many as 5. I'm not 100% sure on Lucid, but I think so. Yeah, Ken, exactly. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, Lucid. Yeah, Coho, thank you. Yeah, Lucid. Yeah, they're one of the few because like with Tradeday, when I got pushed to live, they only gave me one account. I only was able to trade one account. Top Step's like that. My Fund the Futures is like that. I'm sure I don't know about Trade Iffy, maybe. I don't know about Funding X either. Retroactive Funding X. Look at that shit. I'm so glad I got out 32 ticks ago. So fucking annoyed. Yeah, Langer, it could be worse. You could be trading with funding ticks and thinking you're going to get payouts, and then they retroactively change the rules, and all of a sudden your accounts are blown just because they changed the rule to fuck you. So I don't know. Pick your poison. Or you could be trading with Fast Track. How'd that work out for most people? Funless ticks, Funding X. I love it. Benny. Pick your poison. All these prop firms, you know what they're out for? They're out to keep, they need to keep the shit going. So they'll do what they got to do. Some do it more ethically than others. Look at Prop Shop. They're out here begging for money. They're emailing their entire fucking database of customers asking for highly capitalized, qualified investors. They're begging for money from their own fucking customer base. Nothing screams cash flow issues than something like that, or what Funding Ticks is doing, or what they did, retroactively changing the rules and fucking a bunch of people out of their payouts that they thought they were getting, or like My Fund the Futures kind of rug pulling affiliates. Nothing screams a cash flow issue than shit like that. Not kind of, actually. Yeah, Prop Shop's out here fucking cleaning windshields at fucking red lights. So they can pay whoever's left trading that shit. You know what happened with them? They make money as a whole, right? Because they've been around. They're huge in the Forex space. But I think they're trying to keep the futures division separate from the Forex division, and maybe the futures division's hurting a little bit on cash flow, or a lot. They underestimated futures traders. You know? They don't want to dip into the Forex pot to cover the fucking the futures pot. Oh, Lucid's been great. Benjamin, what up? Man, what a fucking... I'm so glad I held this. It's all, you know why it turned out like this? Because I went red decently. It was you know what I mean? Let's hit refresh. Maybe by the end of the stream. Andy, what up? Trading Star. Hey, if you guys are not in the best community, Robin, what's going on? If you're not in the best community, it's free for now. You should join. This is where the DCA gang hangs out, the DGen fam. It's the DGen treehouse. It's free for now. But soon I'm going to make you fucking use my code 87 times to get in. Here's the link. I'm curious. Funded Futures Network, Clarence. His real name's Clarence. I know about them. I think I wasn't really a big fan of their account structure and how much it costs. I just think there's better options out there. Marcin, what is Silver doing right now? Silver's fucking crazy. It's not really moving right now, but that doesn't mean it won't. The Cool J, what up? Silver's nuts, man. Marcin, yeah, bro. Yeah. I traded one eval with it. It was gone in fucking 30 seconds. Stoic. Technical, what up? What if you're already in? Then you know what? You're grandfathered in. 1 penny on silver is $50. And most of these firms make you trade. You can't trade micros with silver. Gold has slowed down a bunch, but it doesn't mean it's done. I can tell you that. I can tell you that. Marcin, I don't have any accounts that I need to pass a smash with. I'm maxed out with funded accounts with Apex. I had to replace one. I did it off stream though. Off stream, guys. Off stream. I had to replace one with Lucid, and that's it. I did play with Bolinas. I did pass 2. So I'll be able to add another funded account with Bolinas. So I'll have 3 funded accounts with Bolinas. Actually, I might be able to add both of them because I need 3 over the buffer. I need 3 at or over the buffer to add a 4th one. So I do have 2 past Bolinas, not that one. This one and this one. Of course, off stream. All of my gains are made off stream. Check out my broker statement. Nice job, K. Suleiman. Yeah, so now we just fucking wait. From this high to this low, we're holding at the 618. I hope it goes lower. I'm just worried it's not going to come down to the 786 unless it wants to fuck around with this low right here. Then we might have a chance. Oh, here we go. Oh. Am I not going to get filled? How many ticks is that? 4 fucking ticks? You fucking motherfucker, bro. 4 ticks. Toy Biv. I don't know. I don't talk to anybody over there. They're very quiet. They don't send emails out to their customers. They don't do anything. So I have no idea. What you could do though is submit a support ticket. They will get back to you fast. They get during the business hours, they respond to support tickets really fast. Wow, what a miss. 4 ticks. Maybe it comes back down. In that case, I don't know if I want to get filled there, to be honest.
Order filled.
Fuck. I got filled in both? Uh-oh. Pump it! I'm logging in gains. I don't care. That was aggressive. Oh, fuck. Oh, you piece of shit. See? I should have locked it in. This is what happens. When I don't lock in gains, I get stopped out. When I do lock in gains, it keeps fucking going. Right here, look, I got out here at 52. It went down another fucking 68 ticks from this short. It's so annoying. We'll add one more. I'm feeling frisky. It is a fucking 150K account. These are 150K accounts, so like I have room. But I don't like going more than 2 or 3 at the most. Most of the time it's 1 or 2. I trade these 150Ks like 50Ks. Fuck. And I'm gonna get burned for it too. Watch me get fucked. I already feel the fucking coming. See, I should have taken it. Look how much more it's going down from. Look at this. What a fucking move. Pop it. Give me 180 ticks. Fuck. Come on. Just a little more up. Just go up here, it's like somewhere. Please, please, do it for the stream. For the stream. A little more. Please, Granny. Oh. $43.50. Is that where it's going to stop? Push. There we go. Keep going. A little more.
Stop filled.
What kind of fill was that? Whatever. I guess I'll take that. If it comes down here, I'll place another order. But it's probably going to go up higher. My take profit was here. Look at the fill. You can see it. My take profit, look, I got filled fucking, I'll show you. You can't see it because my head's in the way. Look, I had my trailing stop at 502, and I got filled at 498. What kind of bullshit is that? That's $80 I got fucked out of. Fuck that, yo. Retest here. Give me this. We put another order down here. I need more coffee. Cody. Yeah, man. Just take your time. John, what up? I don't understand why you can't trade gold. Did you look? Are you trading the right contract? I didn't do anything special to be able to trade gold in my Take Profit Trader account. It's this one, GCG. GCG6 at John. Caleb, what up? Yo, bro. Exactly, man. That's what I'm saying. Fuck the NQ. I don't know. They're just other instruments that are better. A lot of people I've noticed have migrated over to YM. 7 laws. What's good? That's weird, man. I don't know. It's just a setting in your account or something. It's just something on your account. I don't know. It's not you should be able to trade gold. It's a glitch, if anything. YM is the Dow. It's the Dow Jones. It's Dow Jones futures. Young money. Young money. Hey, Fear Greed Degen Trader. Thank you, sir. Bacon. They just, yeah. Let alone show you the accounts or even the trades they're in. Chess Pest, what up? RTY, that's the Russell, yeah. Isn't that the Russell, RTY? Preneur X, what up? 50Ks. I only trade 50Ks. The 150Ks aren't bad either. I just don't like, because of the buffer, I don't like the fact that if I want $2,750, look at this, it went up how many more ticks? 98, 509. It went up 11 more ticks. If I want to trade, if I want to get a max payout of $2,750 on a 150K, I got to grow the account to $7,350. Oh, you fucking serious? You couldn't come down 6 more ticks. Marcin. Golden Paquito. Do I use OBS? No. I wish I did. I just don't really know how to configure it. I use Streamlabs. Nanad, what up? The regular 50Ks. I don't trade the static. Statics
Order
aren't worth
filled.
it. Uh-oh. Statics aren't worth it. Uh-oh. What a fucking drop. Uh-oh. I don't think statics will work. When you get over the buffer, you're static. When you get, oh, look at that, 786 snipe, yo. That's right. Get the fuck up there. I'll take it.
Stop filled.
Probably goes higher. I'll take another than 120. Yo, we were closing in on the fucking buffer. You see, guys? You see? I'll take 425. That's $1,275. If you want to do the math, I mean, obviously it's not money yet until it becomes a payout, but, you know, I'll take it. Nice little snipey snipe there. I don't know if it keeps going. It probably will. Who the fuck knows? We finally got down to the 786 from this high, from this low, right? You see? It wicked a little bit before. I don't panic. Oh, I got orders in here? Uh-oh. Let me close those out. Let me make sure I don't have any open orders on this shit. I don't even think you could buy 50K statics with Apex. I think you could only get 100K static with Apex. Let me go to their website. Okay, chat. Let's go down to the plans. I'm pretty sure you can only get 100K static accounts from them, and they suck. They suck. I've never seen a static account worth buying anywhere. Never have I ever. 100K static. You can only trade with 2 minis, which is fine, or 20 micros, and your drawdown's only $625. And you need 2,000 a pass. Fuck that. Gross. No offense to anyone over at Apex. I don't know why anyone would trade a static account when you could just grab a 50K and have $3,000 in draw, 2,500 in drawdown. I feel like the 50K is the perfect size account. And if you need more drawdown because you like to get a little frisky, the 150K is the next best account. The 100K I wouldn't go near. Okay, chat? And like we showed before, the sale is good. $19.60 for any size account until the end of Insurrection Day, January 6th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern. $19.60 using the best code, Tradeday. Let me show you this fucking code. Let me show you this code. Look at this code. It's the best code in the world. Boom. Use that code. Use that code if you want to support the channel, of course, obviously. You don't have to, but according to the prop from Streets and the DGen data, it's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. Tradeday is the code. It works at Apex. It works for 40% off with no activation fee on Take Profit Trader. It works for 40% off with no activation fee on Tradeday. It works on Bullinox for 91% off. Option 1, 50Ks or bigger. It works for 40% off 25Ks and 50Ks at Lucid and 30% off everything else, plus an extra 5% for new users, maybe even 50% off for new users. I don't really know how they're doing it now. And it may or may not work at My Fund the Futures. But if you're going to grab an account there, you should use my code anyway, because it will potentially give you the potential to have a higher pass rate and a higher payout rate and a faster payout rate. Anyway, what's going on here? Did this go up more or went down? Look, I got out. Hey, I fucking top tick gold. Now, like, look. Now I'm going to look for the next low potentially. If this keeps dropping, here's the next low. Right? I'll put an order down here. Fuck it. If it gets filled, it gets filled. It's a ways from here, but I don't know. J Stores. What up, Newts? Let's hit refresh. Oh, come on, baby. Do this now. Please. Oh, Brian. Well, I'm not in yet. I don't know. I don't know if it might bounce here. It might keep going up. It just might keep going up. How much did this go up? Oh, damn. It's higher than where I got out over here. It just went from 56 to 90. Casual 34 tick bounce. I need a fucking fan, like a fan, another fan in here. Carlos. Just tell him you guess your way in and you guess your way out. What's going to happen here? I got to pee. I'll be right back, chat. I got to cancel. I'm going to cancel this order. I'll be right back. I got to pee. Smash the like button if you're going to bounce. But stick around because I might take another trade. I'll be right back. Of course it goes higher. Of course it goes higher after I sniped that shit, but how many ticks did that go up? 56 to almost 50 ticks. Jeez. Amazing. You see that? You see, guys? Shit's getting real thin, though. Real thin on volume. JP. Just got back to you, bro. What a fucking bounce. I don't know. I did enough good work today. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. Maybe we get something here. Maybe, maybe not. No problem. D-Walk, what up? Bro. All right, coming. Hey, I'm sending it to your DMs, okay? Benny. Thank you, man. Remember when I was really, well, it was with the fucking NQ too, but remember when I was really going through it and I was literally jumping in and out of trades on no matter however the wind blew, and I was like, If you want to fucking blow through drawdown, that's the way to do it. What asset wins 2026? I don't know. Yeah, it was a rough little stretch, man. I was fucking questioning everything. Damn. Just want to see more of the chart. So many opportunities with gold all fucking day. All day and night. Approved! Oh, still pending. Yeah, Benny. I mean, shit, bro. Armando, what up? I mean, bro. What am I at? Like, what was it again? Fuck. Motherfucker, yo. $21,198 confirmed this month with 3,208 pending, and I'm requesting another 3,325 with Apex when I, unfortunately I'm not going to be able to do it for the stream. But yeah, big jump. I mean, we also had, what I do, 14,088 in October and 11,992, 47,278 since October 16th. I just had one bad month, really. It was longer than a month. It was like a stretch of 6 to 8 weeks. But before that, I did 14,000 and I did 14,100 in fucking July. I did 14,200 in August. So, but it was the way I was going about getting those payouts. It was messy. It was messy. Now it's a lot different. It's more calculated. It's much more cleaner now. It's much more gooder. Well, it was after I blew 19 funded Apex accounts in September, and I only got $2,000 in payouts in September. Then I noticed, I always looked at the fibs, and I loved the fibs, But I noticed that with gold, you'll get opportunities all day with the fibs. There'll be opportunities all day, and I just started jumping on them. And I never looked back. And I don't even trade the NQ anymore. Not on funded accounts. Once in a while, I'll fuck around with evals. That's about it, though. Drifter, what's good? It's more gooder. Dope book futures. Of course I am. You're the second person to say the same thing. What, am I not showing up in your feed? I haven't gone anywhere. YouTube is fucking shadow banning me that hard. Oh, you're deflecting. Okay. More better, more gooder, okay, chat? Come on, baby. Do it for the stream. Norman, go ahead, bro. Just ask away. White trash. Granny. You want to see a good example? You know, White trash Granny. There's a stream. The stream I did last week. I did a stream last week. That's not it. Hold on. Hold up, though. Whatever day this was, sometime last week, I traded while I was streaming. And, you know, to get through it quicker, you could go, you know, you could speed it up to like 1.5 or 2x to get through it quicker because there is a lot of filler in between. My plan is to take this stream that I did the other day and condense it to just the trades, but it's going to take a long time for me to do that unless I pay someone else to do it. And I just don't trust anybody else, really, unless they understand how this shit works. But this stream right here, I'm going to drop the link in. That right there in the chat, the YouTube link I just dropped in the chat. I streamed and traded 19. I traded all 19 of my funded Apex accounts. The whole time I streamed, I think I streamed for like 5 hours. And I broke down what I was looking for on every trade and what I was looking to get out. And how I was fucking trailing and getting taken out and missing out on gains and all the usual shit. But 19 accounts. It wasn't just one account. It was 19 of them. Granted, some of them were in groups, right? So we had one with a group of 6. We had another one with a group of 4, So that's 6. That's 14. And then we had a group of 2. That's 16. And then we had 3 by themselves. So basically 7 different accounts I was working with, even though it's really 19, but it was 7. 7 different groups of accounts that I was trading for 5 hours. Finished the day green on all of them. I did it while I was streaming. And that's how I trade all day, whether I'm on the stream or not. And I got into trouble in a lot of them. I got into trouble and worked myself out of it. But that's what I look for. You'll see how I break it down, what I look for and all that. No different than today. No different than today. Today was the same shit. Your drawdown on your new Take Profit Trader Pro drop down to $8.95. Don't. Norman, yeah. $8.95 is plenty to work with, but you got to size down. You got to give yourself some breathing room. Size down and give yourself some breathing room. And then when you give yourself some breathing room, maybe take some shots after that. Glenn, unfortunately, I'm not. I'm individual. It's weird with them. I don't have an LLC that I could do anyway. I have an S corp. Anyway, this guy's about to roll up any minute. So I got to get off. Let me just refresh one more time. I wanted to request while I was on the stream with you guys, but I'm not going to be able to. Still pending. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll wake up and these will be approved. Maybe not. Yeah, the golden shower pocket. That's exactly what I do. Tone. That's all I look for. Really, I don't care about the 618 or the midline. I don't care about the 50 or the 618. The 707 and the 786 is where I wait to get filled in either direction. Anthony Jr. Thank you, sir. I trade. Yes, sir. Anyway, I got to bounce. This guy's going to roll up. I want to make my update video. I don't even know if I'll be able to do that, but let's hit refresh one more time. 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 Let me make sure you don't have any open orders on Take Profit Trader. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, All right, chat. Yeah, you don't want Norman. You don't want to pay for those. You don't want to pay for a pro reset. It's not worth it. Just grow the account back up. Just take your time. $8.95 is plenty to work with. Just size down and wait for really good opportunities. Be very picky. Nayo. What's he? I wish. Investors, I wish, bro. I don't do that shit anymore. Oh, still fucking pending. All right, guys. I got to bounce. He's going to roll up any minute. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. I stream every single day for Power Hour and other random times. I'll probably be streaming later if I could get around to it. But I hope to. I streamed last night for a few hours. It's always fun at night. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace!